How to start Windows in safe mode. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can start your Windows in safe mode. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So now let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your search bar and then search for system configuration. So simply search for system configuration, hit enter, and you will see this system configuration tab open up. Now head over to boot, and under boot you will see boot options. Now there you should find the safe boot option. Simply tap on safe boot, make sure that you've selected the minimal option, tap on apply, and then tap on OK. After you do that, you'll get an option to restart your configurations. So simply tap on restart and restart your device. So that's the first way. The second way is to head over to your start, tap on this power button and tap on restart with the control button. After you do that, you should get an option such as this right here. You will need to head over to troubleshoot, and after you're on troubleshoot, make sure that you choose on the advanced option. After you're on the advanced option, you will see these mini option. What you'll need to do here is that you will need to head over to your startup repair or startup settings, my bad, and then tap on restart. After you tap on restart, simply tap on F4, that is enable safe mode, and then your device will restart using your safe mode. And that is how you can start your Windows with safe mode. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.